Ever needed to send a document, photo, or video directly from your iPhone via email? Let's dive into how easy it is to add attachments to your emails on your iPhone. First, locate and tap the Mail app icon to open it. You'll find this app on your home screen or in your app library. Next, either start a new email by tapping the Compose button, which is usually a square icon with a pencil inside, or tap on an existing email to reply to or forward. Now, let's get to the good stuff. In the Compose window, that's where you write the email. Find the attachment icon. It looks like a paperclip. Tap on this icon. Tapping the attachment icon opens up a menu that lets you choose sources for your attachments. Typically, a list of options will appear, common choices being files or photos. Tap on the app containing where you want from. Let's say you need to include a PDF. Tap Files to bring up your documents. When you've located the file, tap it to select it. You may need to navigate to the right folder within Files. Once selected, the file will now appear below the email. Double check that your recipient, subject line, and email content are all correct. When all is set, tap the Send button, which is usually an upward pointing arrow, to send your email with the attached file, and that's it. You've successfully added an attachment to your email. Hope these #iPhone tips helped you out.